Hi, I'm Upahar Biswas. I'm a fashion photographer and creative director. Today, in collaboration with Aries X, I'm going to show you how to take a perfect beauty portrait. Today, we have a very beautiful model with us, Katrina, who already has a bit of makeup done on her. To pump it up a little bit more, what we can do, Kajal, is add a bit of pink and blue by the side. It's always captivating to shoot a beautiful face with artistic makeup. Today in this photo shoot, I'm going to be using the Aries X Express 600 to create a clamshell light setup. I'll be combining the Glow X White Beauty Dish with a reflector. Here, the beauty dish is going to be my main source of light. Come, let's take some shots. As you can see, we have some lovely shots just with the beauty dish. Now, these are perfect as long as fashion, editorial and jewelry shots are concerned. But because our aim is to get perfect beauty portraits, I think we need to add a fill from below. Now with the fill, if you see, there's a dreamy glow which looks spectacular. But if you look closely, there's a part of her face which looks flat. To add more definition, I'm going to use one more product, which is this Crim X Flag Cutter, to remove some light. The flag cutters act as a negative fill and add more definition while retaining the same glow. Now that my lights are ready, let's go for some final shots. Now that's what I call a perfect beauty portrait. To know more about the equipments that I have used in the video, please check out the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.